This comprehensive guide provides a step-by-step approach to becoming a DVSA approved driving instructor in 2024. Join over 39,500 registered instructors and earn an average annual income of £30,000 to £45,000 in this rewarding career. Qualification. Meet requirements and apply for PDI status. Testing. Pass 3 qualifying exams. Registration. Obtain ADI badge and register with DVSA. Business setup. Choose business model and start teaching. The process typically takes 6 to 12 months and requires an initial investment of £2,000 to £4,000. Job satisfaction. Instructors report high levels of career fulfillment. Hourly rate. Average earnings per hour in 2024. Annual tests. Driving tests conducted each year. Weekly hours. Average flexible working schedule. Age and experience. Must be 21 plus and hold a full UK/EU license for at least 3 years. Clean record. No more than 5 penalty points on your license. Background check. Pass enhanced DBS criminal record check costing £60. Personal criteria. Meet DVSA fit and proper person standards. Submit application. Apply through the gov.uk website to start your journey. Pay registration fee. Submit the £300 fee valid for 4 years of registration. Background check. Complete the enhanced DBS criminal records verification. Receive PDI license. After the 4th of June weeks, get your potential driving instructor status. Theory test. Theory and hazard perception. Driving ability. Advanced driving skills test. Instructional ability. Teaching skills assessment. You must complete all 3 examination parts within a 2-year timeframe to qualify. Independent training. Cost, £1,000 to £1,500. Flexible schedule and personalized approach. Requires self-motivation and discipline. Franchise training. Cost, £2,000 to £3,500. Structured program with established methods. Often includes guaranteed job placement. Audit registered. Official register of driving instructor training. Higher quality standards and oversight. Better pass rates, 65 to 75% success. Multiple choice section. 100 questions covering road procedures. Pass mark, 85% correct answers. Time allowed, 90 minutes. Hazard perception. 14. Video clips of road situations. Pass mark, 57 out of 75 points. Tests reaction time to developing hazards. Test information. Fee, £81 per attempt. Maximum 3 attempts allowed. 47% first-time pass rate in 2023. Road procedures. Traffic signs, signals, and markings. Car control. Vehicle handling and mechanical knowledge. Safety knowledge. Pedestrian safety and vulnerable road users. Legal requirements. Driving law and test procedures. Use the Highway Code and DVSA Driving Manual as primary study resources. This rigorous test ensures you can demonstrate the advanced driving abilities needed to teach others effectively. Expert level demonstration. Show mastery beyond standard license requirements. 1-hour assessment. Comprehensive evaluation of all driving skills. £111 fee per attempt. 52% first-time pass rate in 2023. Visual scanning. Practice proper eye movement techniques and hazard scanning. Commentary driving. Verbalize your observations and decisions while driving. Emergency handling. Master safe responses to unexpected road situations. Road positioning. Demonstrate perfect lane discipline and road positioning. Test duration. 1 hour of assessed instructional scenarios. Competencies. Main teaching areas from the DVSA syllabus. Fee. Cost per attempt at this final qualification stage. Pass rate. First-time success rate recorded in 2023. Role play format. Examiner acts as your student in realistic scenarios. Lesson structure. Demonstrate organized lesson planning and delivery. Fault analysis. Identify, analyze, and provide remedial instruction. Risk management. Show effective safety control during instruction. You'll be graded on 17 distinct instructional skills throughout the assessment. Client-centered learning. Effectiveness rating, the 9th of February, 10. Student-led approach focusing on individual learning needs. Guided discovery. Effectiveness rating, the 8th of July, 10. Instructor poses questions to help learners find solutions. Coaching techniques. Effectiveness rating, the 8th of May, 10. Goal-oriented approach with instructor as facilitator. Direct instruction. Effectiveness rating, the 7th of March, 10. Structured teaching with clear explanations of procedures. Demonstration only. Effectiveness rating, the 6th of January, 10. Instructor shows techniques with limited student engagement. Follow the DVSA's National Standard for Driver and Rider Training Framework. Train as you earn opportunity. Legally teach for money during training. Must complete 40 hours of training first. Real-world experience while preparing. License conditions. Valid for 6 months initially. 1 extension of 6 months possible. Must display pink trainee badge. Supervision requirements. 20% of lessons supervised by ADI. Supervisor must be a qualified instructor. Regular progress checks required. Apply for ADI badge. Submit application after passing all 3 qualifying tests. Pay annual fee. £300 for ADI registration valid for 4 years. Receive green badge. Official hexagonal ADI badge for your vehicle. Join official register. Listed on DVSA's Register of Approved Instructors. Regular assessment. Standards checks every 2 to 4 years. Grading system. Grades A, highest, to C, lowest. Annual CPD. Minimum 7 hours recommended yearly. Ranking impact. Grade affects DVSA directory placement. Franchise option. Cost, £250 to £400 weekly. Car and insurance provided. Established brand recognition. Marketing and student referrals. Contract length, 12 to 24 months. Independent instructor. 79% of instructors choose this path. Higher profit margins. Complete schedule flexibility. More administrative responsibilities. Build your own brand identity. Vehicle selection. Choose a car less than 4 years old for reliability. Dual controls. Essential safety requirement for instructor vehicles. Specialized insurance. ADI policy costs £800 to £1,500 annually. Maintenance budget. Allocate approximately £2,000 yearly for upkeep. Fuel costs typically range from £3,000 to £5,000 annually based on teaching hours. Online presence. Develop website and social media profiles. Local advertising. Target community boards and local publications. Specialization. Create unique selling points to stand out. Testimonials. Leverage reviews from successful students. Website development typically costs £500 to £1,000 for professional setup. London. £40 per hour average rate. South East. £35 per hour average rate. Midlands. £32 per hour average rate. North England. £30 per hour average rate. Scotland, Wales. £28 per hour average rate. Offer block booking discounts of 5 to 10% to encourage commitment and reduce cancellations. Tax obligations. Complete HMRC self-assessment annually as a self-employed instructor. Expense tracking. Record all business-related costs for tax deductions. Accounting software. Invest in specialized software, £10 to £30 monthly. Financial planning. Set aside funds for taxes, pension, and savings. Scheduling tools. Digital booking systems, £10 to £25 monthly. Automated reminders to reduce no-shows. Calendar integration for better planning. Route efficiency. Plan geographical clusters of lessons. Minimize travel time between students. Account for traffic patterns and rush hours. Lesson structure. Create templates for different learning stages. Personalize for individual student needs. Build progressive skill development sequences. Specializing in niche areas can command premium rates and attract specific client demographics. Examiner qualifications. Top-tier advanced certification. LGV/HGV instruction. Commercial vehicle training. Motorcycle instruction. Requires additional testing. Fleet driver training. Corporate and business focus. Defensive driving. Foundation qualification. Lesson recording. Dashcam systems, 100 to 300 pounds, provide valuable feedback and evidence for students. Digital learning. Learning management systems track progress and provide structured resources. Business management. Mobile apps streamline bookings, payments, and student communications. Customer retention. Develop strategies to keep students and gain referrals. Test center relationships. Build connections with local examiners and centers. Instructor network. Collaborate with other professionals for mutual benefit. Online reputation. Manage reviews and maintain a positive digital presence. Challenge. Solution. Test waiting times, 14 to 20 weeks. Book tests far in advance. Use cancellation apps. Difficult students. Clear expectations, specialized training techniques. Seasonal demand fluctuations. Diversify services, offer winter driving courses. Market saturation. Develop unique specializations, target specific niches. Instructor burnout. Proper scheduling, breaks, peer support networks. Electric vehicles. New instruction requirements for EVs. Autonomous tech. Adapting to driver assistance systems. Test changes. Updated UK driving test formats. Brexit impact. New regulations for EU license holders. Stay current with the DVSA strategy for 2024 to 2027 to anticipate industry changes. Official guidance. Visit the DVSA portal for authoritative information and application procedures. Professional associations. Join DIA, MSA, or a DINJC for ongoing support and development opportunities. Training selection. Research providers with the highest success rates before committing.